with our 12 degree Enduro low. So it's basically the lowest bar on the market at 68 millimeters. It'll be great for him because it's going to keep the ergonomics really compact. So it'll be powerful both sitting and standing. It's a 31-inch wide bar width, so also just tailored to his build, keeping it wide enough to have proper leverage, but tight enough so he can really feel clicked in. So a huge thing with how we do ergonomics is building the ergonomic package around you. So when you get on the bike, it's like a ski boot binding where it's like you feel clicked in, like this is my bike, right? So the 12 degree Enduro low will really provide that for him. And then we did our impact pegs. So we went over the impact pegs and how they absorb vibration and abuse and provide better traction. It's a little taller tooth profile as well, so that will further tighten up the ergos. I mean, just a little bit of a couple millimeters here and a couple millimeters there really add up into tailoring the ergonomics to fit you and what you need in your build. So as he grows into the bike, he'll still have enough room to grow up into it, and the ergos will remain really tailored and powerful. So that was the key today to getting the CR dialed in. We put our yellow compression elastomer in it, which is our medium, which is a good base. At his weight, after he has some rides on it, we should probably test the blue just to add a little more compliancy, but still has enough hold up under big loads. So the bar is so tunable. So once he has more of a baseline, then we can work from there.
Well, that's good to hear, because one of his biggest problems is staying on the bike with the amount of vibration that he feels. I mean, just on that pro taper, he's already tired riding the bike, and I think this will actually help him a lot. Stay on the bike, riding it a lot longer. So,
Sure.
Thank you, Cole.
Yeah. Our handles are completely isolated from touching metal to metal. There's a fiber bushing internally at the pivot point, and then it's sandwiched between the elastomers. So that really squelches the vibration, so quiets everything down on that front. So as well as his touch point currently is on our bars on his KXs, so he's used to having a really quiet bar. So this just furthers that, gives that consistent feel, so when he gets on the bike, it's not such apples to oranges, it's more apples to apples.
Nice.
So it'll make a big difference.
Is there any way you could give us a quick tour on your plant?
Yeah, sure. Yep. This is where we do our material cutting. Everything's quiet right now as we're waiting for some tools. So this is one of our mills, and that's all the tooling right now. So it's not running, but our machining department. Our 5-axis mill with a robot. So it's a palletized machine, so it can run 24/7. We got Josh running the lathe over here, and Noah cutting bolts, just keeping everything going the right direction. So our mountain bike assembly in our laser room, we built all our mountain bike bars in here. Yeah, it's a nice little clean room.
Nice.
Turns over here building our spoke torque wrenches. That was really our first product. Every factory motocross team worldwide runs our wrench. Since 1999, we've been the choice of every factory team. So still the same wrench as we started. We built the whole thing in-house now. beautiful product made and assembled by dudes that really get it, that are our customer and really tech heavy. So it's just everything we do here. Curran and Noah build all our bars. They're both really high level riders. We're super fortunate that everybody here rides and races at a high level. So people that are touching your Fasst Company product at every step are really high level riders. So they know what the product's going to go through. They pay attention to all the little details. So you have the best experience with it.
Yeah, that's good to hear. You want somebody that actually knows what they're doing.
Yeah.
And, you know, it's like when I get his suspension done by TBT Suspension, because the Corey, he races, so he understands on what a racer actually wants or needs.
Correct. Yep. Yep. Yeah. That's kind of so over here we have our where we assemble our handlebars and a lot of different products. So everybody kind of goes from, we have different build crews for different situations. So yeah, everybody's on the machine right now. Curran builds the wrenches, he builds the bars. So
Nice.
everybody wears a lot of hats here, and yeah, real hands on.
Well, thank you for having us, and thank you for the tour.
Yeah, thank you guys for coming by.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
All right.